Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your Interactive Brokers account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Interactive Brokers website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or security settings section. Look for options related to security or two-factor authentication. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Esort to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save settings. After setting up your preferred authentication method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to you. Once verified, save your settings to complete the process. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Interactive Brokers account with two-factor authentication.